Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Hi everybody, take a look at our beautiful sky behind us here as we look at the downtown area down to the south towards Texas A&M Corpus Christi right over there. And beautiful out there, but just doesn't feel like the 9th of November, especially when you have a high of 84 degrees, normal 78. So we were splitting the difference between the normal and the all-time record of 90. And believe it or not, back in 1991, it got down to 34 degrees here. We're headed in that direction, but not quite that cold. All right, 79, east-southeast winds at 10 miles an hour, and temperatures as high as 84 degrees in George West, 80 though in Orange Grove, and upper 70s here in Corpus Christi and along the coast, with the exception of the Naval Air Station. They've been registering a little bit high there and at 81. 70 at 6 in the morning, but right before daybreak, I think we'll see 69 degrees on the low, with fair skies again tonight, and then mostly sunny skies here tomorrow and a little less wind, so that'll make it warmer. And at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 84. High temperature is going to be up to 87 degrees, so very, very warm. But we have a huge change coming courtesy of a cold front, so a little drama, if you will, in the weather for Friday. Very warm and humid. And then the front moves in with showers and maybe a thunder shower here, windy and cooler with rain here on Friday night. This is going to affect Friday night football games and other outdoor activities. And Saturday will be cool, mostly cloudy and windy. And we will change seasons from spring to late fall as we cross that front here on Friday evening. Looks like it's scheduled in here about 5 to 6 p.m. All right, so here you go with the satellite and radar showing nothing doing for us. It's all quiet here. There's the frontal system. It's moved into the desert southwest all the way up into the Rockies, where temperatures have gotten cold up there. Look at this, Denver's 44. A couple days ago they were 75 degrees, so they're definitely going down. It's still 11 in Billings and 24 in Casper, and the cold air is coming. You can see it outlined in blue here. Warm everywhere else except New England, with 67 degrees right now in Charleston, South Carolina. So here's the high over here, and that's steering the storm, Nicole, which is now a hurricane, into Florida. It's going to be very wet there, blocks it off, and then as it moves east, it races up the east coast while this low comes across from the west and drags down that cold air from Canada. But there's another system coming beyond that for next week. This is on Monday and into Tuesday. So any forecast of it being warmer than normal, yeah, that's been exactly correct up to tomorrow. But beyond that, it's not going to happen. With now a hurricane moving through the Bahamas near Freeport, and it will move just to the north of Melbourne, Florida there, and then off towards Cape Canaveral, then Orlando, and then on into the north and east as Nicole will be a Category 1 hurricane at landfall tomorrow. Our winds are going to be very light tonight. That'll allow us to drop into the upper 60s for a change. Forecast on the future tracker doesn't show any significant rain here until we get to, look at this, Friday night. There's a line of storms coming in with the front at about 5 p.m. and then the rain will end on Saturday morning, so the weather gets better for the weekend than it looked like earlier this week. 87 tomorrow, 83 on Veterans Day Friday. Then we have late day showers and thunderstorms into Saturday morning. They end, and 61 and much cooler, mostly cloudy, 62 on Sunday, coming from 47. Monday it clouds up again with rain Monday night and into Tuesday with our next front. And look at those temperatures, way below normal. Michelle?